Mantle Challenge, hosted by Arlynn from Arlynn Country Craft Corner and Kim from Sweet Daisy Creations. Today, as you can see, I have part of my mantle done. I don't have a mantle because here in Puerto Rico we don't have fireplaces. But she was kind enough to let me do a table that I have. And we're going to decorate this table. As you can see, I already started by adding the garland. And we're going to finish the decoration on top. And we're going to create our own fireplace. So, stay here so you can see the rest of this video. How my mantle looks. This is our fireplace. It's our beautiful stockings. I made one for each kid, each one of my kiddos. As most of you know, I'm a proud autism mom, so I cannot add much lights at home. So this will be the only part lighted here at home. I cannot add them to my Christmas tree because my kid can hear the sound that little lights make, and he will be covering his ears every single day. So that's why this is the only part that will be having Christmas lights. And remember, in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Arlynn and Kim's channel. And this is how the mantle looks. As you can see, here is the top part. She wanted us to use some candlesticks, a garland, and there are my candlesticks. I do not like this type of candles because here it's a fire hazard with 2 little kiddos. So this is a waterless snow globe, our flock tree, some cookies. I got that recipe from Lori. Good one, doesn't have carbs. They are made out of burlap. Our beautiful stockings, the garland. One of my kids, it's called Sebastian, and the other one, it's Ian. And our fireplace. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.